Alright y'all, so in our last video we had just built our chicken brooder. Well, today we've got our baby chicks and it's time to get the chicken brooder set up and get our chicks in here. So let me move y'all in here a little bit closer and we'll show you what we're gonna do. So first let's get the doors open on all sides here.
And if you guys missed the build video for the brooder, I'll leave a link in the top corner right here. You can go check it out if you'd like.
So I'm using house wrap to line the bottom of the floor with in here. This is what I had laying around. You could use plastic or whatever, just something to protect the floor before we put our bedding in. So once you get your liner in there, you can go ahead and start putting your bedding material in it. So we got these white pine shavings from Tractor Supply. I'm gonna fill it up. So now we want to drill some holes in here to hang our feeder and our water from. We're going to use these hooks. Okay, so I made a little divider to go between the brooder to make two different sections in here. We're gonna put this on real quick. Attach it with a couple of screws. And you can access both sides from either side of the brooder. So we're gonna go ahead and get our little baby chicks in here. So we got a few extra guests joining us here. We got us a few little ducks. They look like they like it. So this way we can keep one side clean till they get a little bigger, then we can open it up and let them over here on the other side.
Okay, so what I decided to do was move the ducks over here on the other side so I could give them a little pond they could swim in and clean their beaks out, their bills, and help them develop their oil glands so their feathers are waterproof. And I tell you what, boy, they sure love it. They've been diving through the water and splashing all over the place, having a good old time. Right now, I think they're about a week old, the chicks and the ducks. So right here for my lights, all I did was ran an electrical power strip, screwed it to the board in the center, and plugged my lights into it.
So here's our baby chicks about a week later, 8 days. And you can see they've grown quite a bit. I guess right now they're about 14 days old. And yesterday we got a few more baby chicks. They're probably about 4 or 5 days old. So we moved the ducks to their own little cage. Let me close this. So you can see the difference in the size of these ducks in 2 weeks age. They barely all fit in that little pond I made for them. But we got them a little pool we're going to get set up for them. Build them a little pen till we get the main chicken run and coop area completed.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe for more homesteading projects. My name is Larry, and this is SurvivalScope, Project Homestead. See you next time.